Hello students, today we are going to learn socialization agent. First we have seen parents. Parents have most direct and significant impact on children's development. Children respond in different ways to parents in different situations. Parents encourage certain behaviors by rewarding, rewarding them verbally or in other tangible ways. Okay, they also discourage certain behaviors through non-approving behavior. They also arrange to put children in a variety of situations that provide them with a variety of positive experiences, learning opportunities, and challenges. Parents adopt different strategies, which are generally known as parenting styles. The condition of life in which parents live influence the style they adopt in socializing children. Grandparental proximity and network of social relationships play considerable role in child socialization directly or through parental influence. Okay, next point, school is another important socializing agent. If the transaction has been successful, the skills and knowledge children acquire in school either through curriculum or interaction with teachers and peers also get transferred to other domains of their life. Researchers believe that a good school can altogether transforms a children's personality. That is why we find that even poor parents want to send their children to good schools. Okay, next, peer groups. Friendships acquired great significance in this respect. It provides children not only with a good opportunity to be in company of others but also the organizing various activities collectively with the members of their own age. Children also learn to assert their own point of view and accept and adapt to those of others. Development of self-identity is greatly facilitated by the peers group. Communication of children with peer group is direct process of socialization is generally smooth. Okay, next, media influence. In recent years, media has also acquired the property of socialization agent. Children learn about many things from these sources. Adolescents and young adults often derive their models from them, particularly from television and cinema. The exposure to violence on television is a major issue of discussion since studies indicate that observing violence on television enhances aggressive behavior among children. There is a need to use this agent of socialization in a better way in order to prevent children from developing undesirable behaviors. Okay, students, that's all. Thank you.